Hey AI enthusiasts, welcome back to our AI news series, your go-to source for the latest buzz in the world of artificial intelligence. I'm Manuin, and today's episode is a roller coaster of cutting-edge updates that will leave you amazed. But before we jump into the exciting news, make sure you're subscribed, hit that bell icon, and stay tuned till the end for a deep dive into each development. Now, let's kick things off with a groundbreaking collaboration. Meta and IBM, along with a powerhouse of over 50 companies and institutions, have come together to form the AI Alliance. This alliance is not just big, it's a game changer. Wondering how? Stick around because we've got the details. But that's not all. Microsoft has turned up the heat with jaw-dropping upgrades to Copilot. Picture a turbocharged GPT-4, improved DALL-E image generation, and mind-blowing features like code interpreter. I know, it's a lot, and we'll break it down for you. And of course, we can't forget Elon Musk's XAI making waves in the funding ocean. They're aiming for $1 billion to propel their rebellious rival to ChatGPT, Grok. Exciting, right? Stay right here. You won't want to miss these updates and more coming your way. Let's dive in. AI Update 1. AI Alliance by Meta and IBM. First up, the AI Alliance by Meta and IBM, a colossal move in the AI landscape. Meta, IBM, and a league of over 50 tech titans have united to bring you the AI Alliance. This coalition is a game changer, focusing on open science and responsible innovation in AI. Imagine over 50 companies, universities, and organizations collaborating to shape the future of AI. Want the inside scoop? Check out our latest release video linked in the description for an in-depth look at this groundbreaking alliance. Okay, let's move to our next update. AI Update 2. Microsoft's Copilot Evolution. Microsoft unleashes Copilot 2.0. Hold on to your hats as Microsoft takes Copilot to a whole new level. Picture this: GPT-4 Turbo, enhanced DALL-E image generation, and a code interpreter. But that's not all. Future capabilities include multimodal search, deep search, and math analysis. Microsoft is pushing the boundaries of AI, and we've got the breakdown right here. Stay tuned for a tech ride like never before. Okay, let's move to next update. AI Update 3. Elon Musk's XAI fundraising frenzy. Elon Musk's XAI aiming for the stars. Elon Musk is on a mission with his AI firm XAI, and it's not just about innovation, it's about raising the stakes. With a whopping goal of $1 billion in fresh funding, XAI is making waves. And here's the kicker: they've already secured $135 million. What's the big plan? The injection of cash is driving XAI closer to unleashing Grok, their rebellious rival to ChatGPT. Buckle up for the financial and AI roller coaster. Okay, let's move to next update. AI Update 4. Google's DeepMind unleashes real-time learning revolution. Breaking barriers. Google DeepMind's mind-blowing discovery. Hold on to your hats for this one. Google DeepMind has cracked the code to real-time learning. Picture this: AI agents acquiring knowledge from human demonstrations instantaneously, without the need for colossal datasets. It's a game changer, enabling cultural transmission in AI. But that's not all. DeepMind fired a research-driven shot at OpenAI's ChatGPT. Their findings? Forcing the model to repeat a word forever leads to a leak of training data. Unravel the secrets behind DeepMind's groundbreaking advancements in our AI News Roundup. Okay, let's move to next update. AI Update 5. Looking Glass. Unveils the future of displays with AI magic. Looking Glass Go. A glimpse into the future. Imagine a holographic display that transforms photos into a mesmerizing, multi-dimensional experience. Look no further. Looking Glass has made it a reality with Looking Glass Go. This portable wonder employs AI to conjure dozens of perspectives from a single photo, culminating in a breathtaking holographic display. Dive into the world of futuristic displays and witness the magic of AI at its finest. Don't miss our detailed coverage of Looking Glass Go in our AI News Roundup, your gateway to the future. Okay, let's move to next update. AI Update 6. Pika Labs shaping the future of AI video generation. Pika Labs unveils Modify Region. AI Video Evolution. Brace yourselves for a groundbreaking leap in AI video generation. Pika Labs introduces Modify Region. Picture this: real-time changes to background objects and outfits, all orchestrated by the prowess of AI. The teaser showcases the incredible potential of Modify Region, marking a significant stride in the evolution of AI-generated video content. Join us on this journey into the future of AI video creation, where Pika Labs is setting the stage for an era of dynamic and personalized visual storytelling. Dive deep into the world of Modify region and witness the transformative power of AI in action. Okay, let's move to next update. AI Update 7, Runway ML and Getty Images. Join forces for customized video content. Runway ML x Getty Images. Crafting the future of visual storytelling. Exciting news unfolds as Runway ML announces a collaboration with Getty Images to unveil the Runway and Getty Images model, RGM. This groundbreaking partnership empowers Hollywood studios and content creators to fine-tune AI models with their own data, ushering in a new era of customized video content. Join us in exploring the limitless possibilities of RGM, where creativity meets cutting-edge AI technology. From cinematic masterpieces to personalized visual narratives, Runway ML and Getty Images are at the forefront of shaping the future of visual storytelling. Get ready to witness the fusion of AI and creativity in this thrilling collaboration. Okay, let's move to next update. AI Update 8. AstraZeneca's $247 deal with Absy, revolutionizing cancer therapy. AstraZeneca's bold leap into AI-driven cancer therapeutics. In a monumental move, pharmaceutical giant AstraZeneca has inked a groundbreaking deal worth up to $247 million with US AI biotech company Absy. This strategic partnership aims to design a revolutionary antibody cancer therapy, leveraging Absy's cutting-edge protein analyzing AI. Witness the fusion of pharmaceutical expertise and AI innovation. As AstraZeneca accelerates the development of life-saving drugs, the collaboration holds the promise of transforming cancer treatment through the power of artificial intelligence. Join us as we delve into the details of this transformative alliance and its potential to reshape the landscape of cancer therapeutics. Okay, let's move to next update. AI Update 9, Mistral AI's meteoric rise, a 488-meter funding round. Mistral AI rockets to success with mega 488-meter round. Hold on tight as we unveil the remarkable ascent of French AI startup Mistral. The buzz in the tech sphere hints at Mistral closing a colossal $488 million funding round, catapulting its valuation to around $2 billion. As a rising European counterweight to US giants, Mistral AI is making waves in the AI landscape. Explore the details of this mega funding round, its implications for Mistral's future endeavors, and the pivotal role the company is poised to play on the global AI stage. Don't miss out on the inside scoop of Mistral AI's journey to becoming a billion-dollar force in the AI realm. As we wrap up this AI journey, from Meta and IBM's AI Alliance to the latest breakthroughs, your engagement keeps the exploration alive. Like this video if you found it insightful, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and hit subscribe for more AI updates. Your support fuels our quest into the world of artificial intelligence. Stay curious, and until next time, I'm Manuin. Thanks for joining the AI adventure.